I'm Brett at Guidewise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin posts to your Instagram profile grid. So this is a brand new Instagram account. I will have to create a post, so I'm going to click the plus button here, and then I'll click camera, and then I'll just take a quick picture of nothing to make an example post. So to pin a post, we're going to have to go to our profile by clicking the icon on the bottom right, and then as you can see, I have one post here, which is that test post of just nothingness. We'll open that. Then we're going to click the three dots on the top right, which typically indicates more or more options. And here on the very bottom, almost right before delete, you can see pin to main grid. If I click that, your post has been pinned. If I go back, you can see now that this post has a little pin icon, and it will always show up at the top of my grid here. And you can typically post 3 pins on the top. Now you know how to pin a profile to the top of your main grid. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.